Okay, in today's video we're going to take a look at the yen futures. Now, I'm not sure if I shared this chart on Twitter or not originally, but I know that I did do this work for my subscribers, so I may have shown it to you later. But let's go over what we had in timing in the yen a while back, okay, and it was early July. And it was timing as the market was going straight down. Okay, and it was where we had a prior decline that was 17 days down, which was very similar to the move down here, which ended up being 18. And then also we had a low to low cycle that was 42 trading days from low to low, and then the next low was also made 42 trading days down. And I believe there were a couple of other cycles that they're not on this chart anymore, but I did at least leave these notations there. Now, timing does not always turn the market. That's something that you need to know first. But it's always worth watching for the times that it does reverse the market. And this, is pretty easy to understand why we would be looking, for maybe an inflection point here, right? So the reason why I'm showing you that first is to show you that that's an example when timing does turn the market, and then show you the next decision that's coming up. And I'm going to tell you once again, I don't know if this grouping of cycles is going to turn the market or put in a high in the yen, but it's definitely worth watching for the following reasons. Okay, the most recent low to high swing is getting pretty similar to some of these others. So we have a 22-day rally versus a 24-day rally versus a 25-day rally. Okay, so we have time resistance coming in from those alternate time projections. We also have time resistance coming in from just measuring the high to the low. 1272 comes in August 11th. I have, okay, we have that alternate time projection, but we also have high to high cycle, 100% August 11th. And then we have a couple that come in, let's see, the 16th. Monday's the 14th, so the 16th it looks like is next Wednesday. So you have a couple a little bit forward, and that comes in from a low to low 618 on the 16th, and then a major low to low 1618 on the 16th. So bottom line, I have cycles for a potential high, or at least to anticipate that possibility where you can go down to a lower time frame chart and watch and see if you get any reversal signals, against any of the resistance. Okay, so so far I don't think we're seeing anything that tells us that we're putting in a more important high yet, but I do want you to watch the fact that we do have time resistance between tomorrow and the middle of next week. So be prepared for a possible reversal in the yen futures. Okay, only act on this information. We only want to act on it if we do start to see signals that tell you that it's worth placing a bet against that idea or setup.